Hello everyone, Collectaholic here. Today we're going to be opening up some 2021 Select Basketball. Hey guys, this is the retail debut for Select Basketball. 8 megabox exclusive red, white, green cracked ice prisms. What else do we have here? Get free 10 digital packs. Look for exclusive ultra rare tiger prisms. That's what I'm looking for. Wish me luck, guys. Love this stuff. If you guys see any good rookies that you know of, because I don't know much about the rookies, only the obvious, the few out there, let me know if anything's good. I would appreciate it. And I believe we have 8 packs in these bad boys. And I could sniff out a tiger prism coming my way. Alright guys, here we go. Wish me luck. Beautiful cards. We have a Kira Lewis Jr. rookie. Look how nice. They even feel nice. Backs. Beautiful. Miles Turner. Eric Bledsoe cracked ice. And Nikola Vucevic. And I believe this is silver. Or prism, whatever you want to call it. Alrighty, we have a Duncan Robinson. Udoka Azubuike rookie. Udoka Azubuike rookie. Nice Aaron S. Smith rookie. Cracked ice. And a Russell Westbrook. And this is, I guess this is a silver also. I love that shine. Alright, next pack we have Anthony Davis. Jimmy Butler. Cracked ice, Jaden McDaniels rookie. Cracked ice, sweet. And a rookie of unless you guys say that, I can't do it. And that is a silver. Didn't want to screw up his name too bad. Lou Williams. Why can't they all be like that? Easy. Lou Williams. Alright. Anthony Edwards rookie. Anthony. Hey. That must be a good one, right? Anthony Edwards. Sweet. Nice one there. A John Wall cracked ice. And a nice James Harden numbers insert. Alright, we have a Steven Adams. Chris Middleton. Cracked ice, Jaden McDaniels. And a James Wiseman rookie. Pretty cool. Next pack. Nice Kyrie Irving. Isaiah Joe rookie. Ooh, this was, I didn't notice, but it was a silver James Wiseman. I wonder if that's a good one. Isaiah Joe rookie. An Anthony Davis cracked ice. And a CJ Ellaby rookie. Nice Stephen Curry. Emmanuel Quickly, rookie. Pascal Sickam, cracked ice, and a Carl Anthony Towns silver. Last pack. You don't want this stuff to end. I wish I could just rip and rip and rip until my fingers get numb. Luka, nice Luka Doncic, sweet. Tyrese Halliburton, rookie. Cracked ices, Terry Rozier. And a Jason Tatum numbers insert. Pretty cool. Actually, that's I guess there's silver insert. Alright guys, I want to thank you for hanging out. We did pull this Anthony Edwards. If any other rookies were any good, please let me know. I'm assuming this guy's good because he is on the box. You guys have a great night. Until next time.